What's going on, everyone? Welcome to another video and welcome to the channel if you are new. So today I am out here in the shop finishing up for the day. I got the yellow 55 Apache behind me, the red 69 Mach 1 up there, and up on the lift right now we got the 56 panel truck. And so a few weeks ago now we sent the rear end out from underneath the panel truck to go get the internals rebuilt and to get the housing powder coated. So we're gonna be taking a look at it, and this is my mom's truck being built. So if you wonder why the title is called Checking Out My Mom's Rear End. Yeah, anyways, let's check it out. Right there you can see my two icon creepers. Those things are a must-have in this shop. Anyone interested in finding out a little bit more about those, I'll probably be making a little review on them. Anyways, back to this. So coming up underneath here, you can see everything is still all old except for the rear end. All brand new. Got brand new big brake kit. Got a brand new 4-link kit on it. Everything still needs to be painted for it, of course. And on the internals, I have a full build sheet on it at the house, but literally anything that could be replaced has been replaced on this rear end. So should be a pretty nice, reliable one down the road. You can see here, it's got a little badge showing what axles are in there. But yeah, we got the mock-up fuel tank in there. We're going to be ordering a brand new one once we got this all mocked up. And from there, our chassis situation should pretty much be taken care of. There's a little walk by of this yellow truck for anyone who hasn't seen it. I do have a couple videos out on it. You should definitely go check those out. But yeah, so definitely a lot more content on its way coming out of this shop, coming out of other projects I have going on, and even possibly going to be starting up a second channel. I'll let you guys know about that more in the future. Anyways, thanks for watching. I really do hope you enjoyed. Let me know down in the comments what you think about everything you just saw. And let me know what you guys might like to see in the future as far as videos. I am open to suggestions. You all have a good day. We'll see you in the next video.